Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can purchase eFootball coins on eFootball. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the eFootball game on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, if you wish to purchase eFootball coins in order to buy various different items and packs, then simply go into the shop menu from the top section. From the shop page, navigate to eFootball coins and then enter it. Now from this screen, you can choose the various different pack of eFootball coins that you would like to purchase. Once you have made your decision, just tap on it, and now this will take you into the Steam page where you will need to use your payment method. You can use your Steam wallet funds, and you may also add funds if you don't have any, using PayPal or your credit or debit cards. After choosing your desired payment method, tap on the Continue button, and now you will just need to authenticate by logging in and providing your credentials. Once you have logged in and authenticated your purchase, the amount will be deducted and the eFootball coins will now be added to your account within the game. Now you can buy various different packs, players and items by using the eFootball coins that you have. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy eFootball coins within the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.